Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add networking connectivity in standby to power options in Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it into command window. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Select category by small icons. Click Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Networking connectivity in standby option is enabled to power options. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.